slimy. Looks slimy.
What are you making?
Just slime.
Wow.
Slime. I just did it slime. Whoa, slimy slime.
That's Elmers
Looks like slime, so let's agitate
clear
a
glue.
little. Agitate a
Magical
little.
liquid.
Look at this now.
On the
Now.
pens. And Adi has made the slime, the blue one. Now we are gonna make the second one with probably we'll make rainbow color.
I want to make with pink, gold, green, and silver.
All right.
I made my slime. Now your turn, Daddy. Now I'm gonna find another boat.
Adi,
Okay.
come on, man. What are you doing? That's the blue.
Slime.
All right. And now what are you gonna make?
Make silver slime.
Silver slime and
And green slime.
green slime. All right.
And yellow slime. I mean gold slime.
Okay.
And
And
pink slime.
all right. All right. Let's start with the
I want to start with silver.
silver. Good.
Silver.
Yes. Not that first, man. I think we got to use the
Glue.
clear glue. Yes, we are using the
I'm gonna
Elmers
do it first. Then my turn.
Slime starter kit.
Now, Daddy.
Okay. Excellent. Hold on. Easy.
Done. Done.
Okay.
Now,
Now, I think you should close. Excellent. Good boy.
making. Whoa.
That's the old one which we finished
Now,
before, the blue one.
make slime.
Cool.
Now, make glitter. I'm gonna make the cap for you.
Excellent.
Some way.
You need a help? Okay. No
I
need.
got it.
Easy.
Now,
Good boy.
making glitter everywhere.
Wow.
It looks like silver.
Mm-hmm. That's silver. You're right. Are you mixing any other color along with that, Adi, for this time, or are you only mixing silver?
I like silver. I like
Okay.
only silver inside.
So the blue one which you mixed, you're going to give it to mommy?
And this is for you, Daddy.
Thank you very much.
And I'm making the pink one for me. And the gold one is for me.
Gold is for you, okay.
Yeah, not down.
And pink maybe we can give it to Anna when she comes.
Yeah, and gold for Jessie.
No, maybe, yeah,
And
correct.
green
for
me.
Jessie and gold for you.
Yay! Gold.
Yay.
Now the blue.
Okay, don't you want to start mixing it with the spatula, or you want to mix? Yeah, keep going. Good boy. Easy, man.
Not done.
Yeah, that's enough. I think we are done. Go from the top again, if you can, please. From the here, see?
Some can be.
The last few. You want me to take it from you and you start? Do you want me to help you mix with the spatula?
No, I can do
The
it.
spoon?
I can do it.
Okay.
I'm done.
Give it to me.
Now,
Thank you very much.
mix it.
Okay.
Whoa, it looks Christmas. It's like Christmas. It looks like Christmas actually.
I know.
Is this for Christmas?
That's what. No, that's the whole feeling of
I need
Christmas.
some- I need another
Makes you feel
color.
happy. You reckon that's a good idea? You want to mix one color or you want to mix another one?
I want to mix another.
All right, go for it.
The gold.
Gold. Wow, gold and silver.
Gold.
They're
I'm
the
making
most-
pretty. I'm making pretty stuff.
Okay.
Now gold. I'm mix.
Shall I keep mixing it like this, or you want to mix the thing spoon?
I'm gonna make gold, and I'm making Golden. I'm making like a mountain.
Easy, man.
Whoa, whoa, so many. I'm making. Done.
Down. Give it to me.
Okay. Here.
Thank you. Can you
Now
keep
I'm
the
gonna-
cap for it, please?
Okay.
That's enough. You reckon that's enough, or you want to add some more?
That's enough.
Good on you.
I'm making multiple colors.
Excellent.
I'm making it one color. I'm using those all colors. What's only silver?
Silver and gold. Wow.
It
It's shiny, shiny.
makes gold and silver.
So we finished using the clear glue and the pens. And now we're going to use the magical liquid.
Now I'm gonna open the cap.
Okay. Excellent. You have been very careful. Now close it. Give it to me. Give it to me.
And now mix it a little bit more. Whoa! Let me agitate a little bit.
Come on, there's some bit of paper towel. Can you just wipe your hands?
Whoa, a lot!
What's happening? Wow, wow. Can I help you?
Yeah.
Let me just finish the last hole.
Whoa, a lot of slimy
Yeah, I know.
slime.
Wow, so you made a mixture of silver and gold, which looks pretty awesome.
Wow. It's so cool. We can do like this.
Mm-hmm.
We can spin the slime. And we can stretch it. Whoa, so pretty. Now let's do the green one. Now let's do the green one. You can mix that.
So what are you doing now? You're gonna
Make Christmas.
exactly. So you're gonna put.
Green and gold. Whoa. Green and whoa.
Easy, man.
Whoa. Whoa.
Can I help you?
No, I got so many. Some glitter.
Easy, man.
Whoa. Now done. Now the cat. Where's the cat? Oh, here.
Yes, good on you. Good back.
Now the cat. Now done. Now we have to mix it for more.
Give it to me. Let me put it back there.
I can. Whoa, Daddy! It's getting pretty. We
Mm-hmm.
can save this for Mommy.
Exactly.
Only for Mommy.
We'll gift it to Mommy when she comes after her sleep.
Oh, whoa, Daddy! It's making green, making pretty. It's too light. It's light green. It's all clean. It's all clear. It's beautiful, Daddy. Now let's do the pink. Do the pink. Now let's do the pink.
Okay.
And we're going to put it in blue.
Excellent. So now Adi has decided to put the pink
And the
in the blue slime which we made before.
Oh, so many colors.
Mm-hmm. Easy, man. Easy. Do you want me to help you?
No, done.
You done? Okay. Lock it up.
Think.
Give it to
Now,
me.
I hope
Give it to me.
blue's
I'll do it.
gonna. I hope he can beat the blue.
Yeah. Good.
It's so hard.
You want me to help you?
No. Well, it's multiple color, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
It's green. It's blue.
Come on, mix it harder.
Whoa, whoa, we can save this for Mommy too.
Okay.
This is for Mommy and this is for Mommy too. And this is for you too. Whoa, so cool. So we make slimy. Whoa, so fun. Whoa, Daddy, I'm making multiple colors.
Wow, man. Is that such a cool thing I've seen?
I made that a big problem. It's a big pool. It's mixing all. Whoa! We're mixing it like multiple colors. Whoa!
Exactly. So, one, we mixed the gold, the silver, and the green.
And
Here we
one
mix the blue and the.
pink.
Exactly. Good on you, Adi.
Yay!
Excellent.
Yay!
You happy?